You wake up, shower, wash your hair, and around lunchtime it already looks greasy. Anyone with greasy hair knows how annoying this is, especially because it can make you look sloppy. But oily hair isn't something bad. The oil protects your hair strands from breakage and pollution. When it becomes excessive, it can be bad for your scalp, causing dandruff and even hair loss. We're going to share 4 completely natural solutions that will help you control your greasy hair problem. Lemon juice contains vitamins and minerals that are very beneficial to your hair. Due to its acidity, the lemon can balance your scalp's pH levels and control oiliness. Mix some lemon juice with a cup of water. Apply it to your scalp and let it sit for a few minutes, then wash it like normal. Repeat this 3 times a week in order to obtain the best results. Baking soda, just like lemon juice, is capable of balancing out pH levels, and can absorb your hair's excess grease. You can make a paste by mixing 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. Rub this paste on your damp hair and then rinse it out. You should repeat this treatment twice a week. Another way to use baking soda is as a dry shampoo. Sprinkle the powder on your hair and then fix it like normal. The baking soda will absorb the oil. Apple cider vinegar is frequently used in home remedies for your hair since it's a great hair tonic. The acetic acid present in the vinegar can balance the pH level of your scalp, which will keep your hair from secreting more oil. After washing your hair, apply 2 tablespoons of vinegar diluted in a cup of water to it. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wash your hair again. You can repeat this procedure up to 3 times a week. Black tea is rich in tannin, a substance that, due to its acidity, prevents oil from building up on your hair. Make some tea with 2 tablespoons of tea leaves, and boil them in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain the tea and let it cool, then apply it to your hair, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Next, wash your hair with shampoo like normal. Repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times a week in order to obtain good results. In order to prevent your hair from getting greasy, it is important to adopt a few new habits. Try and wash your hair daily with warm or cool water, since warm water can contribute to oil buildup. Try not to touch your hair. If you normally blow dry your hair, keep the blow dryer farther away from your scalp and lower the temperature.